Hello and welcome to How to Housewife. Today we're going to be making banana bread or banana loaf, whatever you want to call it, so let's get into it. So we're going to start by getting 125 grams of butter and giving that a quick beat. Add half a cup of sugar and keep mixing. So we're going to add 2 eggs, but we're going to add them one at a time and give the mixture a beat in between. You may need to grab a spatula and just encourage the mixture to go back down towards the bottom so that you can mix it more efficiently. And there's the second egg, so we're going to mix that in now and then we'll add the banana. So I've got 3 medium-sized bananas that are ready to retire themselves. They could probably be darker, so if yours are darker, don't worry, that's how they're meant to be. So we're going to mash them up nice and fine, and they're going to add a little bit of moisture to the mixture as well. And we're leaving the electric beater behind now, or at least I am. If you want to use it, you can. I just find it easier at this point as the mixture gets a little bit more doughy to fold ingredients through. So we're going to fold through the banana. So we've got 1/3 of a cup of milk and we're going to mix a teaspoon of bicarb soda through that. So you just put it in a little separate container. And what we're going to do is we're going to alternate adding the milk mixture and the flour. So I've stirred in the bicarb soda. And now I'm adding the flour. So it's 2 cups of self-raising flour. And I normally add about half a cup at a time and alternate with the milk mixture and get it all mixed through that way. The other thing you could do is sift your flour. I haven't done it for this recipe. I don't usually for banana loaf, but you can certainly do that. Okay, so that is all done. We're going to spoon it into a loaf pan and cook it for 50 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes at 190 degrees. Just check it with a skewer, just poke it in and make sure that it's cooked. I find sometimes I have to leave it a little bit longer, but other times you just know when it's ready. You can smell it, it looks perfect. And if it's cooked through, it's good to go. Pull it out of the oven and pop it on a cooling rack. So my boys really love to have banana bread warmed up for breakfast. Let me know how you guys like to have your banana bread. And that is us done. Thank you for watching, guys.